everyone, Stevie Heidemann here with Griot's Garage, and I'm excited to introduce you to Mist and Wipe, part of our adventure line. Let's face it, washing your RV or boat can eat up a lot of time, and when you're ready to hit the road or split waves, every minute counts. That's where Mist and Wipe really shines. This SiO2-powered quick detailer makes it easy to keep your RV or boat looking its best with almost no effort. Just spray and wipe to quickly remove light grime, pollen, dust, bird droppings, bug splatter, and even fresh water spots. What's left behind? A deep, glossy finish and a durable ceramic layer that repels water and protects against UV rays, oxidation, and other surface contaminants. It's the perfect way to easily extend the life of your pre-existing wax, sealant, or coating while also boosting the hydrophobicity, durability, and overall appearance. Whether you're prepping for a trip or cleaning up after one, Mist and Wipe also doubles as a drying aid to leave behind a slick, protective finish that makes future washes even easier. Simply mist it onto a wet surface after your wash, then dry as normal. Mist and Wipe is safe on all exterior surfaces, including vinyl decals, gel coat, plastics, painted panels, glass, chrome, and more. It's also safe for use on matte or satin finishes, but may add a slight gloss, so test it on a small section first to ensure the results are to your liking. Pro tip, Mist and Wipe also serves as an excellent clay lubricant. Pair it with our Brilliant Finish synthetic clay or any of our synthetic surface prep tools to safely lift embedded contaminants and restore a smooth, clean surface, all while adding protection in one easy step. No matter where your adventures take you, Mist and Wipe keeps your rig shiny, protected, and ready for the next one. We hope you found this video helpful and plan to try out Mist and Wipe for yourself. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.